everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am beyond excited to announce for the first time ever, I'm actually releasing my diet outside of my coaching program. My coaching program has become more and more complex, and with that, I've had to raise the price. So I have a lot of people come to me who want something more affordable because they want to just do it themselves. Sometimes they don't even need someone to coach them. I personally was looking for that when I was trying to heal my eczema. So if you're somebody who's very ready to just self-help, very ready to just support themselves and do this on their own, and you got this, then this is for you, and I'm so excited that I finally get to launch it. I've actually redone my whole diet. I used to have it broken down into 3 stages. Now I have it into 6 steps, and I've redone all the foods, and I've made sure everything is perfect. I've tested all the foods, not only with myself and my eczema, but with over 50 clients. I've been redoing this diet for so long, and it was so hard to release that outside of my coaching program because it's not an easy diet. There's a lot of times where people make mistakes or they fall off the wagon, and for me to be able to support them so closely was something I felt comfortable with. I'm finally at a point where I decided that I'm going to release the diet, but I'm going to put it with a mini lesson where I teach you guys a little bit about how to use it, how to go through it, so that you guys can put 2 and 2 together yourself. So basically all you have to do is go over to my website, coachmichellemills.com/self-help. And there you're going to find this new mini lesson that you can purchase. Currently it's priced at $50. And if you need help financially, if you live in a different country, please let me know, and I'm more than willing to work with you and the currency changes. However, I want you guys to invest in this. The reason why I don't give this out as well is because healing eczema is difficult. And I really encourage people to try to save their money and really invest in this, because you're not just investing money-wise, you're investing your life. If you get something for free, you're not going to value it as much as you value something that you paid $50 for. I want you guys to value this program because it is difficult. If you're willing to put in the effort to make the money to buy this, then you're willing to put in the effort it takes to actually heal your eczema. And that's a little bit of tough love, but it's how I want to support you guys. You know, if you're really in a horrible position, we can work out a payment plan. But for the most part, I really want you guys to value this because it's very hard. This diet is something I put so much of my time and my love into, and it really does work. To this date, I don't really have a client where this hasn't fully worked for them. With that being said, I really want to congratulate you guys because I know a lot of you are going to go over and purchase this mini lesson. And that means you're starting the rest of your life. You're starting over, you're starting fresh, you're gaining your life back, you're gaining your social life back, you're gonna gain your confidence back. And I'm so happy for you to start this journey. And I can't wait to see what you guys think of it. And I'm more than willing to make changes as we go along. But for now, this is the first time I'm releasing this diet in this format. And I'm so excited to see how it goes. And I really, truly hope that it helps you guys. I know a lot of you wanted to do this on your own. All you needed was the diet. So here you go. And with it is a mini lesson. So it's basically a video lesson that you'll watch and learn about how to effectively use the diet, how it was created, and why it was created. Every single food in there was picked for a very specific reason. So if you came to this video expecting something else, I do want to give just a little bit for you. I did want to explain some of the step 1 diet so that even if you don't want to join the self-help program, you still have a place to start. So a really good starting place when you want to reverse your eczema is 1, cut out fridge foods. Fried foods, refined sugar, eggs, dairy, gluten. Cut this out for at least 2 months before you even want to consider joining my program or purchasing this mini lesson. What you should do is cut out fridge foods. So from there, you should replace fridge foods with, you want to have wild caught salmon, you want to have purple cabbage, you want to have sweet potatoes. Other healing foods are leeks, sardines, any fatty fish really, and make sure you're avoiding things like pineapples, spicy foods, caffeine. And another aspect of healing is your mindset. So try to remain positive, try to de-stress. Stress is a huge component of eczema. So I can't wait for you guys to check this out. Head over to my website, coachmichellemills.com/self-help. So basically, when you go onto the website, you're going to see a little video, and it's basically what you should watch before you decide to purchase this mini lesson, this self-help mini lesson. And it's because this isn't for everybody. If you're experiencing topical steroid withdrawal, or you haven't been off fridge foods for long enough, you're really not going to see a whole lot of results, and it's not going to help you all that much. So head over there, check that out, and I just hope you guys like this. This is something I've been working on for so long, and I've refined it and refined it and refined it, and I just want to see you guys heal. I mean, eczema truly was one of the hardest things I've ever gone through in my life. It was one of the most painful things I've ever dealt with in my life. You know, it covered all of my arms. It was on my legs. It hurt so badly. I see my clients all the time go through pain and frustration, and I want to be able to help you guys in the ways that I can, in the ways that I feel comfortable with, and I just want to spread this knowledge around. So go check it out. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for lots and lots of content. This is a really big thing for me to launch, and I'm excited and I'm nervous. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you like it. Bye.